Hello everyone. Today we are going to explore the side panel of Canva editor. So let's start. First up, we have the template section. Simply click on the template on the side panel and browse through thousands of options. Templates are pre-designed layouts that you can customize to fit your need. Whether you're designing for a social media marketing, your business presentation, or for personal use, Canva has got you covered. For example, if you're designing an invitation card, just type invitation in the search bar. You'll see various templates appear. Templates marked with a crown icon are exclusive to pro users. Select a template and you can easily change the text, image, and other elements to suit your style. Next up is Style. Click on Styles and select a color palette or font combination. This feature allows you to apply preset color palette and font combination to your design. It helps in maintaining consistent look throughout your project. You can shuffle through different styles and find the one that fits your design best. Next, let's explore the Elements section. Click on Elements on the side panel and you'll find a plenty of options. Elements are individual design components you can add to your project. This includes lines, shapes, frames, stickers, and more. For instance, if you need to add a frame to your design, you can choose from different styles. Insert a frame and any image you add will fit perfectly within it. You can also find arrows, circles, and other shapes to enhance your design. Text is a crucial element in any design. In the text section, you can add headings, subheadings, and body text. Canva provides various font combinations to make your text look stylish. Click on a text and choose from the available options. You can customize the font, size, color, and more to match your design. Now let's move on to Uploads. This section allows you to upload your media, such as logos, watermark, or any other image and video. Click on Uploads, select the file from the computer, or just drag and drop in Upload section, and they will be available in the Upload section for you to use in your designs. Next up is Draw. This feature allows you to apply freehand drawing to your designs. You will get different pen styles and eraser options here. Next is Projects. This option helps you to organize your designs and assets. Click on Create Folders to create new folders to categorize your projects. This makes it easier to manage and access your designs whenever you need them. And that's a quick overview of the Canva editor's side panel. In the next tutorial, we will learn to create a simple design. So keep watching and see you in the next video.